What's going on, guys? Decelation, Rhonda,
Hey, how's it going?
Brian.
What's up, peeps?
So today was supposed to be a introduction saying, this buddy's done. The truck's done. Oh yeah, sorry. But we went and got it weighed today. Brian, what happened today?
Well, it got a little warm. As in very warm.
Yeah.
And then the oil got really hot because the engine was really hot. And it was not very happy.
Yeah, oil pressure went down. I still had oil pressure at all times, but it was lower than what we normally get. This truck is normally at about 60 psi cold and about 45 to 50 when it's warmed up. It got down to 30 something, so not really happy. And we did learn something. When I turn on the truck, I need to make sure I turn on the oil cooler because the oil cooler was scorching hot, but we didn't turn on the fans, so I need to make sure, remember guys, turn on my fans. But the oil looks good. It's not scorched or anything. It's nice and golden color.
Smells good.
But we have to figure out why this thing is overheating, and I have an idea. Because this is, we have a thermostat in here right now, and we're in Florida. Thermostat's really not required. The thermostat may be stuck because we've always had issues of it running a little hot. So we're gonna pull out the thermostat. We're gonna run no thermostat. But with that being said, we gotta drain all the coolant again, and we're gonna drain the oil because I wanna see if there's any metal in the oil. So we got brand new, never been touched, virgin plastic canisters for the coolant, so we can reuse the coolant because that stuff's not cheap. And the oil, so we can skim through it and see if there's any metal. So, yeah, this is not the video that I wanted to make today, but it's the video we have to make today. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get to work. welcome back, guys. So, things may have escalated a little bit. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, we drained the oil. Oil looks good and clean. I have a magnet right here, and I'm gonna show. I did this already, but I'm gonna show you guys. If you look at that, there is no material on the tip of that magnet. So that means we're good, for the most part. And yeah, we pulled apart the oil filter. This is literally the first break-in oil that we had. We see very, very minimal stuff in there. And this is a brand new assembled engine. So you expect that on the new motor. But we also, just for safety's sake, I have a Blackstone kit over there on that table. And we took a sample of the oil as well. So I'm gonna send that out. So I'm gonna get a full analysis on it. So that part looks good. We also got the thermostat pulled out of the engine because I believe my thermostat was sticking. Where did we toss that thing at?
Right up here.
Oh.
You threw it on the floor. I picked it up.
See, that's why we have Rhonda around. She keeps the shop actually semi-organized. All right, so this is right here.
Damn.
Yes, I didn't pan the camera that way. But yeah, so this is a thermostat. Very big flow restriction. Typically, it's used to warm up the car quicker. We are in Florida. We ain't got to worry about the car warming up. It's going to warm up just fine. And two, race car. We don't need a thermostat where we're going. I'll put it back where you put it, see? But yeah, so right now, I've already refilled the oil. Didn't see anything of concern in the oil. Didn't see anything of concern in the oil filter. Thank you, Brian, for going through the fun hassle of tearing that apart. I think I need to.
I'm good at breaking shit.
Yeah, and I think I need to order an oil filter opener because that was quite entertaining. I should have got that on camera. But yeah, so now all I have to do is refill it with coolant. We saved the coolant over here. So we're gonna just reuse that because that coolant's been in there for 3 miles. 3 miles, that's about it. And
maybe 5. It's about 2 miles plus and some change down to the.
Oh yeah, it's been in there for maybe 5 miles. But yes. Did I tell him how much the truck weighs?
No, I don't think so.
No. Oh, so the reason why this whole event happened is because I had to get the truck weighed. I don't know if I told you this. I'll know when I edit it, but 2,640 pounds with a mostly full tank of gas. I have the weight slip. So yeah, 2,640 pounds. Not bad. All right, well, we're gonna get back to work. We're gonna fill it with coolant and bleed it out. Welcome back, guys. Brian, Rhonda.
Hey, what's going on, peeps?
Do we have good news?
Oil pressure's back to normal.
Oil pressure is back to normal. The engine's not hurt. That is true. We are going into like 70 PSI when I was revving the engine.
Yeah.
70 PSI of oil pressure. So oil pressure is back to normal. So we removed the thermostat. There's no flow obstructions. And the coolant temp rises rapidly still. So And we noticed when we were revving it, we were getting some steam and smoke out of here, only when revving. And maybe you guys can help me out with this. What we think is I've got a blown motor. Oh no, the blown motor. Blown head gasket.
What?
Blown head gasket.
Don't
So,
look at me like that.
yeah, blown head gasket. So yes, tell me what you guys think as well. Next week we're pulling apart the motor because I mean oil pressure's back where it needs to be, but this thing will not cool down. It will not stay cool. It ramps up to 120. 190 almost very quickly, and then it just keeps going and it refuses to cool off. And what was it, like 5 minutes we went from 199 to 215?
If even.
Yeah, if even 5 minutes. And it was bleeding out, no more bubbles were coming out. We fully bled the system and we've let it cool down and contract and everything. No more bubbles have come out of it. I just recently put the plug back in. But yeah, I really think we have a nicked head gasket somewhere. So this is going to be fun. Brian?
Yay!
Rhonda? Rhonda's actually excited because she wants to see this motor get pulled apart. So.
Yes, I haven't done a head gasket for about 40 years.
So yeah, she's ready to do it.
Yeah, I think our cloth AutoZone head gaskets were probably just not
Yeah.
not enough chutzpah for what we're throwing down here.
Yeah, so we're gonna pull it apart. I've got to go buy some new head gaskets, some head studs, because we used the head bolts, which, you know, bad on me. You're building a race motor, don't use head bolts. I know. For those of you that don't know, head bolts are torque to yield, so you can only use them once. So, and these have been torqued to yield. So when we pull them apart, we gotta put either new head bolts in, or we can just go with head studs, which that's the route I'm gonna go. Yeah, that's it. Sorry to end this on a bad note. Trust me, I'm not happy about it, but in the realm of things that could be wrong, a head gasket only cost us time and a
Yeah,
few
we get to put the
bucks.
new exhaust headers on.
I don't think they know about that. Yeah, I don't like these log manifolds. Check it out.
Them over there.
Yeah, right here. So I got some shorty headers. Hopefully these will fit with the engine mounts. That's why I bought the shorty ones, just to test it out. These weren't super expensive. And if they do work, I may invest in a pair of long tubes. And I'll tell you what, it's for LS swapping a first gen Camaro headers. So they had the best look to where kind of like the log manifolds look. So, because I'm concerned about these engine mounts right here. They come up kind of high, so you need to sweep straight back and then down. So yeah, we'll get new headers on it too, just to test them out. But thank you guys for watching. Not exactly the best news, but you know, we'll figure it out. This is part of building. Have a good one, guys. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. Yeah, I need more money, so please subscribe and watch these videos. Have a good one, guys.
Take these
See ya.
peeps.